I'm the realest one that's reppin', oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend when they lay me down to rest.
How to install and use GoodLock in all M and F series Samsung devices. Step 1. Open Play Store and install FindLock. The best part about FindLock is that it's exclusive to Samsung devices and can be used completely ad-free and without any known security risks. FindLock application is used for M and F series Samsung devices to access GoodLock features without any known security issues. So, it is safe to use this application without any concern. Step 2. Open FindLock and install desired GoodLock application. For example, I am installing one-hand operation application. Scroll down and select the application you want to install and use the features. It will redirect you to the APKpure website. Just click on download and install the application. After installation, open application and turn on the features. You can customize side gestures as you want from FindLock. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.